Did you know there is a stage of tooth decay that you can completely reverse at home? Like, without a dentist ever touching you? Welcome to part 2. See, before a cavity becomes a dark, painful hole, it hides in plain sight. It looks like this: chalky white spot or a faint line right near your gum line. Scientifically, it's called demineralization. It just means your enamel is starving for calcium and losing its strength, but the structure hasn't broken down yet. If you catch it right here, you can literally heal the tooth. The absolute best home remedy? Drop your regular toothpaste and switch to one with Nano-Hydroxyapatite. Look for it. It's the exact mineral your teeth are made of. Brushing with it forces calcium straight back into those weak spots, hardening them back to normal. But if you ignore these white spots, they turn black. And once that happens, the rules completely change. Hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss part 3, where we talk about the point of no return and what happens when a real hole forms.